Good morning, welcome to your 15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions across the region as well as some windy conditions. Currently have a wind advisory in effect that most likely will be in effect through today into the early overnight hours tonight. Do have some rain showers on our doorstep. Taking a look at the radar this morning, you can see it's just off to our south and moving on the island currently. You can see that rainfall move northwards across the region today, and that's going to give us a rainy day in store. And once we move in the night, we'll see some heavier rainfall possible as some tropical moisture moves in the region. Taking a current look at our surface analysis, you can see Hurricane Ian currently just off the South Carolina coast. It's going to be making landfall in northern South Carolina this afternoon. We'll see rainfall increase across our region from the moisture coming in off the Atlantic Ocean. We have a strong area high pressure off to our north. In combination with the hurricane well off to our south and the high pressure off to our north, we'll have the strong northeasterly winds today. And we'll see those winds gusting to 40 to 50 miles an hour possible at the peak for this afternoon and the evening. And overall, just a fairly windy and raw day across the region. Taking a look at our current weather, we have a broken deck at 2,600 feet, 7,000 feet, overcast deck at 15,000 feet. Winds are out of the northeast, sustained at 20 knots, gusting to 27 knots. Temperature 66 degrees and relative humidity at 69%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see lots of clouds across the region. That's going to be the case for today. And taking a look at the HRRR model for today, going to have those rain showers moving into the region, giving us anywhere from light to moderate rainfall throughout the day. And then we'll see that rainfall increase in intensity once we move into the evening hours. This is 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock this evening. You can see heavier rainfall just off to our south and some thunderstorms embedded within that heavier rainfall. That'll be moving through the region during the overnight hours. We'll also see some increased shear across the region with the hurricane making landfall in South Carolina, and this band of rainfall moving towards our region will have some shear within it as well as a bit of instability. So can't rule out some stronger to severe thunderstorms, especially south of our region, but could move up into our area once this band does move through. Most likely around about 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. looks like when it's going to be moving through the region, and that's when we'll see our best chance of heavy rainfall, as well as I mentioned, those strong to severe thunderstorms. Can't rule out an isolated tornado mainly south of the region with this band coming through, as is typical with landfalling tropical cyclones. Taking a look at our risk chart for today, red across the board for the rainfall as it will rain throughout the day today. Seeing the gustiest winds during the late afternoon into the early evening hours, gusting up to 40 knots, so anywhere from about 40 to 50 miles an hour today, with sustained winds 20 to 30 knots. So looking like a windy day across the region. We'll have those winds starting to calm down overnight, especially once that boundary or that band of heavier rainfall moves to the region. We'll see those winds calm down and most likely be under wind advisory criteria after about 4 local, but can't rule out a random gust up to 25 knots after that point. We'll see temperatures today warmer this morning than will be throughout the day today. As that rainfall moves in, temperatures will cool into the mid to lower 60s, and then for the overnight hours, with that tropical moisture and warmer air mass moving in the region, we'll see temperatures actually rising back up into the lower 70s overnight and into Saturday morning. Our heaviest chances of rainfall, as I mentioned, will come overnight with that band of tropical moisture moving through, and we'll have a slight chance of seeing some ponding in the roadways or typical areas that do see the flooding with any of the heavier rain showers we see or thunderstorms during the summer. Very similar with this today into tonight. As far as our 24-hour terminal forecast goes, we'll see low-level ceilings today, lowering down to 1,000 to possibly 500 feet for the afternoon and evening hours. And we'll see a 40% chance of thunderstorms from 2,300 local till Saturday 6 local, and then a slight chance from 6 to 8 local at 20%. We'll see just mainly low clouds after Saturday 8 local, broken deck at 800 feet, but we'll see a chance of some showers still in the region, with our tides running about 1 foot above normal. For Saturday into Sunday, Saturday, low clouds and a chance of a lingering shower in the morning, then mostly cloudy to partly cloudy in the afternoon, a chance of a pop-up shower moving through. We'll see warmer conditions and slightly breezy winds, a high of 78 degrees. Looks like those rain shower chances should really dwindle throughout the day on Saturday, only looking about a 20 to 30% chance throughout the day with temperatures in the upper 70s. So it's like a decent day in general, especially from the afternoon hours. We'll see these low clouds dissipate. Looking like after we've seen the models put out a very poor Saturday, could be a decent afternoon. For Saturday night, we'll see mostly clouded, overcast skies with low clouds likely and a chance of some light rain or drizzle. We'll see onshore flow increasing after dawn, a low of 64. A slight chance of seeing those light rain or drizzle moving through on Saturday night. Doesn't look like a high chance, most likely around 20 to 30% for this, and then seeing those low clouds in the area. For Sunday, we'll see cloudy, breezy, and cooler conditions. Chance of light rain and drizzle, especially in the afternoon and evening. We'll see a high of 70. For Sunday, we'll see better chances of rain during the afternoon and evening with an area low pressure developing off our coast, especially late Sunday. That'll increase our breezes out of the northeast, as well as give us those chances of showers. We'll see those low clouds continue to be in the area for our Sunday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.